I don't know. Beats me. Good luck. Break a leg. I'm listening. I'm all ears. I fell asleep. I nodded off. How are you? How's it going? I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. Hurry up. Chop chop. Give it a try. Give it a shot. Brave. Bold. Weak. Feeble. Wrong. Mistaken. Necessary. Essential. Boring. Tedious. Support. Advocate. Stop. Suspend. Empty. Desolate. Harmful. Detrimental. Never. Hardly ever. Rarely. Seldom. Occasionally. Sometimes. Often. Frequently. Generally. Usually. Always. Go to bed. Hit the hay.
Let's hit the hay.
Hit the hay? I'm not there.
Be patient. Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Reveal a secret. Spill the beans.
Spill the beans.
What's going on? Spill the beans.
Get to the point. Cut to the chase.
Cut to the chase, Sheldon.
I'll cut to the chase.
Present simple. I do. Present continuous. I am doing. Present perfect. I have done. Present perfect continuous. I have been doing. Past simple. I did. Past continuous. I was doing. Past perfect. I had done. Past perfect continuous. I had been doing. Future simple. I will do. Future continuous. I will be doing. Future perfect. I will have done. Future perfect continuous. I will have been doing.